So in the last session, we discussed about some theory part of SAP Basis. So like SAP application softwares. So SAP is MNC company. SAP developed applications. So like SAP ERP, SAP CRM, SAP SRM, SAP SCM. So like this, the applications are developed by SAP. So these are the applications. ERP, CRM, SRM, SCM. These are the main applications developed by SAP. S4 HANA is an advanced version of ERP. So same like 5G technology compared with 4G. So 5G is advanced, right? In internet technology. In the same way, SAP compared with SAP ERP, SAP S4 HANA is a advanced application software. So S4 HANA, we are getting like very fast. The response we are getting very fast compared with ERP. So this is what we discussed in the last session, and today we are going to discuss some more theory points. So already we discussed. So we have 5 to 6 theory classes are there. After that, we are going to start the installation. SAP Advantages. SAP Application Advantages. The first one is only one logon pad. SAP logon pad. So that is also called as SAP GUI for all the modules, for all the applications and modules. Second point, SAP applications are customizable. So based on the requirement, so we can able to customize the SAP applications. So third one, SAP applications. Giving runtime environment. SAP provide the support. Provide support for clients through www.support.sap.com. So SAP official website. So this www.support.com also called as SAP Marketplace. is also called as SAP Support Portal and SAP Marketplace. So are same SAP Marketplace, SAP Support Portal. Next, Basis Consultant only, SAP Basis Consultant only, possible to log into support portal. SAP having rich set of modules. So these are the advantages. So these are the sum of advantages in SAP. The first one by one, now we are going to discuss one by one. So the first one, only one logon pad. So what we are saying, only one logon pad for all the applications and modules. So what is the meaning of only one logon pad? See here. So system is already started, development system. So this is SAP logon pad, GUI. SAP logon pad or SAP GUI, both are same. So you observe here, it is saying like SAP logon pad. This is not for SAP ERP logon pad, SAP S4 HANA logon pad, SAP SRM logon pad, SAP SCM logon pad. It is not saying like that. It is saying just SAP logon pad only. 800 is a version, logon pad version, GUI version, right? So here also it is not showing any application name. It is not showing any module name. So the logon pad is there is no specific logon pad for SAP ERP. There is no specific logon pad for SAP S4 HANA. There is no separate logon pad for SAP CRM, SRM, SCM, and there is no separate logon pad for module wise, like basis, ABAP, FIC, OSD, MM, PM, QM, like this. There is no separate module. Only one, there is no separate logon pad. Only one logon pad for all the applications. Only one logon pad for all the applications. You observe here, it is saying only SAP, the logo, SAP logo. It is not saying this is a basis logon pad or this is ERP logon pad or SAP S4 logon pad. Just it is asking user ID password only. So universal logon pad, we have universal logon pad. Only one logon pad for all the modules and for all the applications. Only one logon pad. Second point is SAP applications are customizable. Based on the requirement, we can able to customize SAP applications. What is the meaning of customizable? So general example, for suppose if I purchase a smartphone, this is a Samsung Galaxy. Samsung smartphone I purchased. Along with the mobile, I have, so along with the mobile, I have default ringtone. So we are getting default ringtone, default message tone, and default font. Font also default. We are getting default font. Background also default background. Background also. So we are getting all these things. Based on our requirement, we can able to customize this mobile. So no need to use as easily as the Samsung, the company provided ringtone. No need to use as easily, and no need to use the message tone. So whatever the message tone provided by Samsung, no need to use as it is, and font. No need to use the font and background also. Based on our requirement, we can able to change the ringtone. We can able to change the ringtone. We can able to change message tone. We can able to change the font. We can able to change the background screen also. Once we purchased a smartphone, we can able to change all these things. So no need to use as it is. We can able to customize the mobile, right? The same example, whenever we apply to SAP system, same example. So this is a development system. So this is the development system. In this development system, SAP already provided some default clients. SAP already provided default clients, default users, and default roles. So like this, already provided some data, default clients, default users, default clients, default users, and default roles already provided. So we are using SAP default clients, we are using default users, we are using default roles also we are using. At the same time, based on the requirement. So based on the requirement, we can able to, we can create the new clients. So we can create new clients. So we have default clients, default users, default roles also. So based on the requirement, we can able to create clients. We can able to create clients. For suppose this is the development system. DEV system. So once we install DEV system, by default, so we are getting by default we are getting clients, users, and we are getting roles also. So default clients we are getting along with the system, SAP system, whatever the system installed, for suppose ERP installed or NetWeaver we installed, default clients we are getting, default users we are getting, default roles we are getting. So at the same time, based on our requirement, we are going to create new roles, new clients. We are going to create new clients. We are going to create new clients, and we are going to create new users, and we are going to create new roles also. So as easily, no need to use. So new clients, we can create new clients, we can create new users, we can create new roles also. So this is a customizable SAP application, customizable. No need to use as it is. So like ABAPers, they can create the new programs. As a basis consultant, we are going to create new clients. As a basis consultant, we are going to create credentials for the new employees. And as a security consultant, we are going to create the roles for the new employee. So this is also customizable. This is customizable, right? So that is the point. Second point, applications, SAP applications are customizable. Based on the requirement, we can able to customize the SAP application. Based on the requirement, we are going to create the clients, create the users, create the roles, and create the background jobs. So like this, SAP applications are giving runtime environment. What is the meaning of runtime environment? So present server is work already started. Development system is already started. See here, you can able to see the green color. So development system is green color. So we have separate session how to install SAP. For explain the point, runtime environment. So I'm using this system, development system. This is already installed for previous batch purpose. Already we installed the system, development quality system installed. So development system, in development system, need to credentials for new employees. So need to create credentials for the new employee. So once we create, see here. So first we need to log in with our credentials. So with our credentials, first we need to log in. Successfully we logged in. So here I'm going to create one more user. I'm going to create one more user. See here, it is asking the username. So we have separate session. How to create user? We have separate session. Just to explain the point, runtime environment, I'm going to create one user now. So system is running, and I'm going to create one user. That is Manoj. So username is Manoj. We are going to create. First time we are creating. Click on create. And the password for the user, India123. Click on save. See here, user Manoj created, means the user is successfully created. Now the user is can able to log in. See here, go to SAP login pad, development system. So username is Manoj. Password. See here. So the user is successfully logged on. We can able to see user details also, user login details. At the top of the screen, you can able to see the user login username is Manoj. See here. So it means just now we created user, Manoj user, and the user is successfully logged in. That is called as runtime environment. Runtime environment. So that is SAP applications are giving runtime environment. SAP provides support for clients through support.sap.com. So we have SAP official website support.sap.com. So this is SAP official website. So here we have get support, means we can able to talk to customer care. View cases means if any tickets are raised from your side, so we can able to monitor whatever the tickets we raised, we can able to monitor the status. And the software download, if you want to install SAP ERP, S4 HANA or SAP SRM, CRM, SCM, HANA database, all the softwares we can able to download from here only. All the softwares we can able to download from here only. We have download option is there, software download option is there, but if you take, so all of you, if you take your side, you can't able to log into support portal, SAP support portal, you can't able to log in. At present, you can't able to log in. So because every batch, our members are asking, sir, I am not able to log into support portal for download the software. I am saying from your side, at present, you are not able to log in. Why? Because if you want to log into support portal, you should working as a basis consultant in the organization. Any of the organization, like startup organization or level 2, level 3, whatever it may be, level 5 company, compulsory, we should working as a basis consultant. Working as a basis consultant in any of the company. So once you join in the organization, they will provide the credentials, login credentials. They will provide the login credentials. So we should have login credentials. Login credentials are provided by our team lead or manager only once we join in the organization. Again and again, I'm saying from present, from your side, you can't able to log in. So don't try this one also. So you can't able to log in present. Once you got the job on any of the company, startup company or level 2, level 3 company, definitely you can able to log in. Because once you join, so your team lead or manager create the login credentials. So that is support.sap.com, official website. See here, support.sap.com, official website. Next point, this is also called support.sap.com portal, also called as support portal or SAP marketplace, both are same. A support.sap.com is also called as support portal and marketplace. SAP marketplace and the support portal all are same. So the basis consultant only can able to log into support portal. So we have other modules people also. So like ABAPers are there, SAP ABAPers are there, like SAP FICO consultants are there, SAP SD consultants are there, SAP MM consultants are there. But basis consultant only can able to log in. Only basis consultant can able to log into SAP support portal. SAP having rich set of modules like SAP ERP, CRM, modules wise. If you take SAP Basis, SAP FICO, SAP SD, MM, PM, QM, HR. So like this, SAP having rich set of modules. So these are the advantages, some of the advantages. So in the last session, we discussed ERP, SAP ERP. So actually SAP, the systems are started with the R1 system. SAP initially in 1970s we called as SAP R1 system. In 1972 SAP released R2 system. 72 R1 system. 79 R2 system. In 1992 SAP released R3 system. In 2004 in place of R3 system, so these are the versions: SAP R1 system, R2 system, R3 system. R1 system 1972, R2 system 1979. SAP R3 system was released in 1992. The name is changed from R3 to ERP and released the version, ERP version in 2004. SAP, the last version was SAP ERP 6.0 in 2005. So from 2005 onwards, still some of the companies they are using ERP from 2005 onwards, means from last 21 years. Some of the companies still they are using SAP ERP. So in ERP, so latest version is EHP 8, right? So we have EHP 1. So we have the versions. SAP ERP versions. So before ERP, the name is the name was SAP R3. In 1992, SAP released R3 system. We'll discuss what is R3 system. We'll discuss SAP ERP versions. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 1 Enhancement Package 1. EHP 2, EHP 3, EHP 4, EHP 5, EHP 6, EHP 7, EHP 8. EHP 2, EHP 3, EHP 4, EHP 5, 6, 7, finally 8. So EHP stands for Enhancement Package. So EHP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. EHP Enhancement Package. EHP stands for Enhancement Package. So you observe here. So ECC 6.2 EHP 8 released in 2000, the year 2016. The year 2016. The last version ERP 6.2 EHP 8 released in 2016. From last 10 years we are using ERP. So no updates from last 10 years because of they have planned. SAP have planned to release S4 HANA. That is the reason. Maybe that is the reason they are not released any versions, any new versions in ERP. So these are the SAP ERP versions. So coming to S4 HANA, coming to S4 HANA, SAP S4 HANA. S4 HANA is an advanced version of ERP. See here, just I am comparing. So ERP and CRM, ERP and S4 HANA. SAP ERP, SAP S4 HANA. So first SAP ERP was released in 2004. The first version of ERP was released in 2004. In 2004, SAP ERP released. SAP S4 HANA first version was released in 2015. The first version of S4 HANA was released in 2015. Coming to databases, like we can able to install Oracle ERP on any of the database. Any of the database, like Oracle, on Oracle database, we can able to install Oracle DB. We can able to install, and DB to DBA. We can able to install ERP and MS SQL Server. We can able to install SAP ERP and MaxDB on Sybase database. On HANA database also we can able to install. So we can able to install on any of the database. On Oracle database, we can able to install DB2DB, MS SQL Server, MaxDB, Sybase, HANA database also. But the problem is, if you take SAP S4 HANA, only HANA database, we can able to install on only HANA DB. So it is not supported any other database. HANA database, S4 HANA, we can able to install on only HANA DB. S4 HANA is not supported. Is not supported Oracle database. not supported Oracle database. It is not supported DB to DBA. It is not supported MS SQL Server. It is not supported Sybase, MaxDB. It is supported only HANA database. Supported only HANA DB. So please remember, very, very important. So we can't able to install S4 HANA application on Oracle database. We can't able to install on DB to DBA, MS SQL Server, MaxDB, Sybase. So we can able to install on only HANA database. But if you take SAP ERP and SAP NetWeaver also there. So if you take SAP NetWeaver, so NetWeaver we can able to install on same like. So NetWeaver also we can able to install on Oracle database, DB to DB, MS SQL Server, MaxDB, Sybase, HANA database. But S4 HANA we can't able to install on Oracle database, DB to DBA, MS SQL Server, MaxDB, Sybase. Only HANA database only supported. This is one of the interview question. So please remember, this is one of the interview question. Just I am comparing ERP, NetWeaver and S4 HANA. Just I am comparing. So means what are the databases are supported for ERP? What are the databases are supported for NetWeaver? What are the databases are? So there is no database, only one database. HANA database only. So next, coming to S4 HANA versions. S4 HANA versions. So ERP versions just now we discussed. SAP S4 HANA versions. S4 HANA versions. SAP S4 HANA S4 HANA 1511. One 1610 17 1610 1709 1809 1909 1511, 1610, 1610, 1709, 1709, 1809, 1909, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2025. See here, these are the versions in SAP S4 HANA. So here 1511 means, what is the meaning of 1511 means? That is 2015 11th month. 1511 means 2015. SAP S4 HANA was released in 2015. So these are entry questions, very, very important. Before entering into the practical sessions, so these are important. See here. So now 1511. So S4 HANA 1511. The first version of S4 HANA 1511. Next 1610. Next 1709. Next 1809. Next 1909 means S4 HANA 1511, S4 HANA 1610, S4 HANA 1709, S4 HANA 1809, S4 HANA 1909, S4 HANA 2020, S4 HANA 2021, S4 HANA 2022, S4 HANA 2023, S4 HANA 2025. There is no S4 HANA 2024. I think 2026 also not there. They are going to release on next year, 2027. So anyhow, we'll check that one. See here, 1511 means SAP S4 HANA first version was released in 2015. 2015 11th month. So 2015 11th month. This is 1511 2015 11th month. 1610 means 2016 10th October month. 1709 2017 September month. 2015 November month, 1610 2016 October month, 1709 2017 September month, 1809 2018 September month, 1909 2019 September month. But the thing is, from 2020 onwards, they are not mentioned the month, just directly they mention the year only. 2000 in 2020 October month actually released 2020. So directly they released with S4 HANA 2020, S4 HANA 2021, S4 HANA 2022, S4 HANA 2023. They are not mentioned the month. They directly they mention the year only. But actually they released on October 2020 October, 2021 October, 2022 September or October. These 2 months only. 2023 September or October, 2025 September or October. But from 2020 onwards, they mentioned the year only. So they are not mentioned the month from 2020 onwards. But 2020, before 2020, they mentioned the year and month. 1511 means 2015 11th month. 1610, 1709, 1809, 1909. So these are S4 HANA versions. S4 HANA versions. Right? So in our today's session, we discussed what are the advantages of SAP and what are the ERP versions and the comparison. So ERP, how many databases are supported for ERP, and what about the S4 HANA and S4, finally S4 HANA versions we discussed, right? So whenever we are strong in theory session, the upcoming practical sessions are very understandable. That's what so in depth we are discussing the theory concept. So I think we have 3 to 4 theory sessions are there. Already 2 sessions are completed. 3 to 4 sessions are there. Once theory sessions completed, immediately we'll start the installation. And I'm going to create WhatsApp group also. And today or tomorrow, I'm going to create a WhatsApp group. So please ping your number. What is the number you want to add in our WhatsApp group? So please ping me to this number. I'm available on WhatsApp. So ping your WhatsApp number. I will add. So once the WhatsApp group is created, I will add you. So next to from demo session onwards, so whatever the classes we discussed means just I think today is the 3rd session, 25th, 26th, and today. So these 3 sessions recorded. The recorded sessions I'm going to upload in Google Drive. The Drive link I will share in our WhatsApp group only. Okay, and I will share the soft copy also. One of the soft copy, so which is prepared by us. I will share that one. Okay, so this is our today's session. Any queries? Any queries in our today's session?
Hello.
Yes.
ఇంకొక డౌట్ ఒరాకిల్ డేటాబేస్ కదా, ఒరాకిల్ డేటాబేస్ కి అన్న డేటాబేస్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి?
Sorry, what is the database?
ఒరాకిల్ డేటాబేస్ అన్న డేటాబేస్.
So Oracle database that is look like 4G, and HANA database is 5G. మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థం అవ్వాలండి. In 4G, so why we upgraded 5G? So previously we are facing some issues also, like we can't able to watch the video continuously, and we can't able to we can able to make the calls, video calls, but it's not clear, buffer, and the video also not clear because very slow network in 4G. The same way here also, Oracle database we are called as traditional database. So 10 times faster compared with Oracle database. HANA database is 10 times faster. So that is the reason we are using HANA database. Right?
Yeah, actually. But
Any other query?
Oracle database కూడా యూజ్ చేస్తా ఉంటారు కదా.
Yeah. So nowadays 4G technology also some of the people they are using, right? So 5G రిలీజ్ చేశారు కదా అందరూ 5Gకి ఏమి ఇమ్మీడియట్ గా ఏమి రారండి. Based on their availability, based on their requirement. For suppose if you take village people, they are also using, but they are not using smartphones like 5G supported smartphones, right? So they అంటే వాళ్ళకి సరిపోద్ది like 4G network సరిపోద్ది. So they are using 4G. In the same way, companies they are using Oracle database based on their requirement. They can shift it to HANA database.
అంటే డేటా ఎలా స్టోర్ అవుతుంది ఇందులో? Oracle database లో ఎలా స్టోర్ అవుతుంది, HANA database లో ఎలా స్టోర్ అవుతుంది?
స్లో అవటం అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చెప్తాం అంటే డేటా రిట్రీవింగ్ చాలా స్లోగా ఉంటుంది. అంటే మనం ఒక డేటాబేస్ నుంచి రావడానికి ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. మనం ఆర్కిల్ డేటాబేస్ యూజ్ చేస్తుంటే ఆర్కిల్ డేటాబేస్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు అదే చెప్పాను ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది 4G 5Gకి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే వీడియో, ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఒక వీడియో చూస్తున్నాం వితౌట్ బఫర్ అది మూవ్ అవుతుంటుంది నెక్స్ట్ మినిట్స్ కి. సో 4Gలో సో మనకి బఫర్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది, మళ్ళీ తీసుకోవాలి డేటా తీసుకోవాలి, ఆ డేటా తీసుకునేంత వరకు అది బఫర్ అవుతుంటుంది. అలానే ఆర్కిల్ డేటాబేస్ లో ఎలా స్లో అవుతుందని కాదు, స్లో అని కాదు, దీనికంటే ఫాస్ట్ అని. ఆర్కిల్ డేటాబేస్ కన్నా ఫాస్ట్ HANA డేటాబేస్ ని.
మేజర్ డిఫరెన్స్ అయితే అది ఒక్కటేనా?
దట్ ఈస్ అ మేజర్ డిఫరెన్స్ అని.
మనకి డిఫాల్ట్ గా రోల్స్ ఏముంటాయండి దీనికి?
దేంట్లో
ఇందాక మనం SAP లాగిన్ ప్యాడ్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత డిఫాల్ట్ గా యూజర్స్ క్లయింట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అలాగే రోల్స్ ఏముండొచ్చు మనకి డిఫాల్ట్ గా?
బేసిస్ కన్సల్టెంట్ రోల్స్ అంటారా? అవి నేను చెప్తాం, మన క్లాస్ లో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం అండి క్లాసెస్ లో. సో ఆల్రెడీ మనం డెమోన్స్ట్రేషన్ లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద రోల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ లైక్ ఇన్స్టలేషన్ చేయాలి. సో ఇన్స్టలేషన్ చేసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ మానిటరింగ్ చేయాలి. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ క్లయింట్స్ ని క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ యూజర్ ని క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అప్గ్రేడేషన్ చేయాలి న్యూ వర్షన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు. చెప్తాం, మనం క్లాస్ లో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం అవి కూడా. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, మండే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ సేమ్ లింక్ వర్క్ అవ్వదండి. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు, ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఈ రోజు తోటి ఎక్స్పైర్ అయ్యింది లింక్. ఐ విల్ షేర్ న్యూ గో టు మీటింగ్ లింక్. సో ఎవరైతే లింక్ కావాలో నాకు వాట్సాప్ లో పింక్ చేయండి, నేను షేర్ చేస్తాను. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం సో మీ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ పింక్ చేయండి, సో గ్రూప్ లో యాడ్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే.
హలో.
yes
sir, Monday onwards 7 o'clock sir class.
yeah, Monday onwards we have class at 7 a.m. morning ఉంటుంది 7 or 8 2 sessions. సో I will ping. సో గో టు మీట్ లింక్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ లింక్ లో నేను మెన్షన్ చేస్తానండి ఏ టైం కన్నది.
Okay sir.
Okay. So if you have any queries, I'm available on this number. So call cheyandi. So thank you. We'll meet on next session. Plus, please remember the link is not working for the next session. That is on Monday. సో మండే టైమింగ్స్ కూడా నేను ఆ లింక్ లో మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను. మీకు ఎవరికైతే లింక్ కావాలో నాకు సపరేట్ గా పింక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.